So Edits is here. Let's install the app and see what all features it has got. So now let's open Edits. So after opening, it's showing our Instagram account and we can directly log in with that account. After that, it's asking us to join Edits with showing the feature that how Edits work. So after joining Edits, this is the interface. At bottom it has 4 options. First is Sticker, instead which there are 3 options. And first we can see our saved stickers, and second we can see the reels we saved on Instagram, and third is the collections. Now talking about the second option, this is same as Reels. Here we can see the trending reels and audios and take inspiration to make our Reels video. Talking about third option, it is option to edit our videos. Here you can find all the options and feature which you get in the other editing app. Now talking about fourth and fifth option. In fourth option you can record your video using the camera, and on fifth option you can see your Instagram analytics. So this is all about edits now. How do you find this app? Do you like it or not? Tell us in the comments section.